We're excited that you're part of the Agentforce community. Now that you've completed your onboarding, you may be wondering how to make edits to your My Benefit Pilot listing on the directory. This short video will walk you through the steps to quickly and easily make any changes you need, all of which will update immediately upon saving. To get started, navigate to your dashboard by logging into your Agentforce account at goagentforce.com. From your dashboard, select Edit My Profile. Here, you'll see various sections, each of which you can review to make sure they display correct and up-to-date information. Under Personal Info, you'll see your legal first and last name, along with a display name. If you enter a display name, it will override your first and last name and appear on your My Benefit Pilot listing. This field is helpful if you go by a nickname or shortened name with clients rather than your legal name, but we still recommend entering a first and last name to help build your credibility. The Contact Info section houses your email and phone number. You can add up to 2 of each in case you have multiple ways for clients to reach you. The Address section is where you'll want to display at least your city, state, and zip code. You can add a street address if you'd like, but you don't have to, especially if you don't have a physical office or would prefer not to display it to consumers. Having a profile photo helps build credibility as an agent. You can drag, drop, and crop a photo so consumers can see who they may be working with when viewing your listing. A bio is another great way to build credibility. In this section, you can also upload a welcome video for consumers to watch and learn more about you. Here, you want to be sure to select any languages you speak fluently. Consumers can filter by language when looking for agents on the directory, so this ensures you don't miss out on potential clients. In the Social Media section, you can include links to your social media pages. Keep in mind, it's best to link to your business profiles if you don't want consumers connecting with your personal accounts. In the Calendar section, you can include your booking link, such as Calendly, Outlook, or another scheduler you've set up, so consumers can book a time with you directly from your listing. One of the most important sections to ensure accuracy is product offerings. Be sure to select any products you're appointed or contracted with, so consumers know exactly what you offer when they reach out. Just like languages, consumers can filter by product when searching for agents, so you don't want to miss any opportunities. In the Business section, you can include your legal business name if you operate under a business entity. This will be displayed under your first and last name or preferred name on your listing. Finally, in the Licensed States section, you'll want to include any states you're licensed in. We require a resident state, but you can also add non-resident states you're licensed in, so you can be visible on the directory in those states as well. Additionally, when a consumer searches the directory in your resident state, a local badge will appear next to your name, letting them know you're in the same state they are. Something very important worth noting: if you make changes in any section, a banner will appear to remind you to save before leaving the page. But always remember to click Save Changes at the top of the page. Once you do, your edits take effect immediately on your listing. Thanks for watching, and reach out to us if you have any questions.